Hey guys, tired of searching all over the place for your tools? You got them in the drawers, cabinets, scattered everywhere. Well, I got gifted something to do a little box opening for that I hope will help fix that problem for me. This is a little toolbox here, and I hope I can get everything in the house in it. You know, you got your tools out in your shed or shop or whatever, but you have certain tools you keep in the house. Screwdrivers, pliers, you know, just different things that you use around the house all the time, and it's nice to have them close. But it's not nice to have them scattered everywhere, which that may just be me, but regardless, got in a tool bag. If I can figure out how to get this tape off of here. Boy, they don't want you to get into it. There we go. Anyway, I'm hoping everything that I have here in the house will go in this. Actually, I probably put more in it than what I got in the house. This is by TUFFWORX. Really nice looking tool bag so far. You get it open up here so it's kind of spread out, if you will. It's got a hard bottom case to it. So I guess it goes like that. And then, you know, actually you could probably use this for an overnight bag if you really wanted to. Kind of what it makes me think of. But it's got all these little pockets here. We're going to look into that a little closer in just a moment. Pocket on this side too. Carrying strap. I don't know if it has a. Oh, it sure does. Look at there. Let's get this undone. Got a zipper here on the top. We're going to open this up and see what we have here. Double zippers. Okay. Well, zip's good. Anyway, yeah. Got a shoulder strap. Hook that up right over there and carry it around. Ooh. Oh, y'all are gonna like this. Get that camera up a little closer. Actually, before we can get into the looking on the inside, I come around to this side and I saw this. See what we have here. Oh, look at that, y'all. Got lots of pockets right there. Man, this has got all kinds of storage room in it. All right, now look at the inside here. Basically kind of like that. Oh, look, this is actually a pocket right there too. Look at that. Didn't even notice that. Cool. Okay, can y'all see up inside there? Hopefully you can. But we've got pockets all in here, all the way around it. And the ends. Over on this side too. Pockets all the way around. Like I said, has that hard bottom on it. So if you did set this down somewhere wet, you wouldn't have to worry about the inside of it getting wet. Pockets here. And it's got pockets all the way around it. Like I said, got these right here. And I tell you what, this is a nice tool bag, y'all. Almost too nice for me. I like that. Let's see what all we can get put in it. There we go. Hey guys, I was just thinking about it. Some of y'all might want to know how big this is for real. You know, it's measured in centimeters, but that don't tell me nothing. So we're just going to do a rough measurement here. It's about 21 inches wide, about a foot tall, and about a foot wide. So 21 this way, a foot this way, and a foot this way. But I got it loaded down pretty good. Now, I'm not well organized. Got all my screwdrivers right there, the ones I have in the house. Multimeter. Over here on this side, I got my channel locks, my wire trimmers, my little C-clamp thing, box opener, wire cutters, all right there. Inside here, I got a level, another screwdriver. This thing flip back and forth from Phillips to flat. Anyway, level, stud finders. Now the inside is going to be a little harder to show you, but I will show you. Hopefully you can see down in there. Give me just a second. Come around here. I don't know if you can see in there. I got hammers, cordless screwdriver, couple extension cords, some box end wrenches, a little bit of everything. All the stuff that I keep in the house. That might be a little overkill for stuff in the house, but honestly, I use it. Some of these screwdrivers I probably could put out in the shed, but they're in here. And my tape measure is going to go in here too. Probably just clip it over here on the side. There, looks like a good place. There we go. I tell you what, if you are looking for a nice little tool bag, I'm not going to say tool box because it's, you know, it's soft-sided. The bottom is hard, but notice I took the shoulder strap off. It kept getting in my way, honestly. Now, one thing that I wished it had was like some little loops. Maybe instead of a pocket on one end, they just had little loops where you could just hang your little hammers and whatnot right there. But that's not enough to complain about, that's for sure. Really nice bag, guys. If you're looking for one, you might want to check this one out. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I'm keeping it. Anyway, if you like stuff like this, I'll put a playlist right over here that has more things kind of like this. Might be something you would like to look into. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.